So next determination of pH using glass electrode. So here we are taking two electrodes, which is a glass electrode here. This is silver wire. Okay, here which is a standard calomel electrode. Already నేను మీకు చెప్పాను reference electrodes లో along with hydrogen electrode, calomel electrode is another electrode where we are taking mercurous chloride. Okay, here this is acting as a cathode which is connected to a voltmeter, and this is connected to anode. This is a glass electrode. Now we will note what is the series, electrochemical series. Mentioning representation is, first what will happen, silver is placed in silver chloride solution. And what is this unknown solution? Here unknown solution must and should contain, H plus ions. So HCl 0.1 molar. What we are taking? Glass electrode we are taking, and this is the test solution. This double slash always represents a salt bridge. Okay, కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు చూసుకోవచ్చు, ఇలా మధ్యలో మనం ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే we are connecting a salt bridge. Now here you need to mention representation of calomel electrode, KCl slash Hg2Cl2, which converts to mercury. So this is the general representation of this cell. Okay, so here in this glass electrode, what is going to happen? Here we are taking, because here we are taking HCl solution, what will happen after some time? H plus ions which are present in HCl solution takes 2 electrons, means reduction reaction is happening, converts into H2. So now we will try to write EMF of a cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. I already told this same formula to you, E cathode minus E anode. Here cathode, what is acting? Standard calomel electrode is acting as a cathode. What is E anode? E anode is nothing but glass electrode. So expanding this reaction, E naught, that is standard EMF of glass electrode, minus 0.0591 by N log of concentration of product by concentration of reactants. So this is the equation. So EMF of standard calomel electrode minus E naught of glass electrode minus 0.0591 by, how many electrons are participating? 2. So N will become 2. I already told concentration of H2 we need to take as 1. So log 1 by concentration of H plus whole square. EMF of standard calomel electrode. So log 1 by concentration of H plus means if you take it to the numerator, it will happen plus log H plus whole square. So EMF of standard calomel electrode 0.0591 by 2 log A to the power of M means M log A. 2 will get cancelled. EMF of standard calomel electrode, EMF of glass minus, I am taking to each expression 0.0591 log H plus, that is EMF of standard calomel electrode minus E naught of glass electrode plus 0.0591 pH, which is EMF of a cell. So EMF of standard calomel electrode is a constant value which was already given. Maybe suppose if it comes as a problem to you, this value they will give. EMF of glass electrode also they will provide the value. EMF of your cell can be noted in this voltmeter. Whatever be the value here we will get, that we need to mention here EMF of a cell. So by knowing these three values we can able to find out what is pH. Okay, so this is the determination of pH using glass electrode. Next one is determination of pH using quinhydron electrode. Even in quinhydron electrode also the same calomel electrode we are taking as a reference electrode. So here I am mentioning like this. take this as a quinhydrone electrode. Take a wire, put some electrode here, and which is taken in the unknown solution, and this is connected to voltmeter, and again which is connected to a standard calomel electrode which has some opening here, and a wire, and here there are two layers, one is Hg2Cl2 layer and one is KCl layer. Okay, and there is some salt bridge. Okay, here we are taking quinhydrone solution. Quinhydrone solution. First we will see what is quinhydrone. Quinhydrone means it is a combination of quinone and hydroquinone. ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటి అంటే ఈక్విమోలార్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వినోన్ అండ్ హైడ్రోక్వినోన్ we are taking. Once again I am repeating, equimolar concentrations of quinone and hydroquinone we are taking here. Okay, so first we will see what is quinone. Quinone means this one is quinone. What is hydroquinone? OH and OH. So if you took acid solution here along with quinhydrone, if we take acid solution here, this quinone takes H plus ions from the acid solution and it will turns into hydroquinone. Quinone is represented with a letter Q, so obviously hydroquinone is represented with QH2 because two hydrogens are extra, so QH2. So because here reduction reaction happened, it acts as a cathode, so quinone upon reduction turns to hydroquinone. Okay, so now for this chemical reaction we need to write the cell reaction. EMF of a cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.0591 by n log concentration of QH2 by concentration of Q, and one more is also there, so concentration of H plus whole square. As I told to you, equimolar concentrations of quinone and hydroquinone we have taken, so these two will get cancelled. So E naught of cell minus 0.0591 by n log 1 by H plus whole square. So because majority of people know calculations, I am writing it directly, 2 log H plus, because two electrons are participating, n will become 2, cancellation. So E naught of cell minus 0.0591 log pH. Actually for quinhydrone electrode the standard EMF of a cell is 0.694 volts. Definitely ఇది కనుక మీకు క్వశ్చన్ మెన్షన్ చేసే ప్రాబ్లం కనుక 0.694 volts అని చెప్పి వాళ్ళే మీకు ప్రాబ్లంలో ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. Therefore EMF of cell is equal to 0.694 minus 0.0591 pH కదా. So here better we will write it as pH. Now because it is a complete cell, ఇప్పటి వరకు నేను రాసింది ఏంటి, ఓన్లీ ది ఒక్కదానికే రాసాను సెల్ రియాక్షన్ని, but here we need to mention the total cell equation, that is EMF of cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode, right? E cathode minus E anode. So here E cathode means this one 0.694 minus 0.0591 pH minus what is this E anode, standard calomel electrodes, because this is standard calomel electrode. Okay, SCE this is. So for SCE its value is 0.242 volts, 0.242 volts. So therefore EMF of cell ఎక్కడి నుంచి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాం మనం, ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ వోల్ట్ మీటర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ వోల్ట్ మీటర్లో మనకు రీడింగ్ ఎంత చూపిస్తే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఈఎంఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సెల్ కదా. 0.694 ఓకే, 0.242 ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు, pH వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ డిటర్మినేషన్ ఆఫ్ pH యూజింగ్ quinhydrone electrode. So there are three concepts: pH using hydrogen electrode, pH using glass electrode, pH using twin hydrogen electrode. సో రేపు క్లాస్లో ఈ సెకండ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రోకెమిస్ట్రీలో నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుందాం మనం.